How to add your languages on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your languages on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here click this one, profile information, and go down until you find your birthday. Click this pin and here go down, you will find languages, then just type your language here, uh, type it and select it, and then just save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.